Are your meetings, transcripts, or integrations not syncing properly in Fireflies AI? Whether you're having trouble with your calendar, connected apps, or meeting updates, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you the most effective ways to fix Fireflies AI sync issues. So yeah, let's get started. First, make sure your calendar is connected correctly. Fireflies currently supports Google Calendar and Outlook Calendar, and each account can sync with only one calendar. If your calendar isn't connected properly, scheduled meetings may not sync as expected. If your meetings still aren't syncing, disconnect the affected integration and connect it again. Whether you're using Google Calendar, Outlook, Slack, Microsoft Teams, or another supported service, reconnecting can refresh the permissions and restore synchronization. This often fixes authorization issues. Next, review your auto-join settings. If automatic meeting joining is disabled, Fireflies won't sync upcoming meetings or capture new recordings automatically. Make sure the correct join preferences are enabled for your account. If everything looks correct but syncing still isn't working, sign out of Fireflies, refresh your browser, and sign back in. Logging in again refreshes your account session and can resolve temporary synchronization problems with connected services. If you've tried these steps and your meetings or integrations still aren't syncing, the issue may require help from Fireflies support. Before contacting them, confirm that the integration is connected, your calendar permissions are correct, and your meeting has finished processing. Checking those items first can save you time, and that's how you fix Fireflies AI sync issues in 2026. Hopefully, one of these solutions got everything syncing again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.